everybody, I'm Prajakta Kori and I'm so happy and grateful that I am shooting with Global Spa magazine today.
We're absolutely delighted to have you here with us.
Well, thank you for having me.
Absolutely wonderful. How has the experience been so far with the shoot?
Really fun. I think this has got to be one of the most efficient shoots I've been on because we're done with 3 looks already. We've got a couple more to go, but itne fatafat ho gaye sab kuch. I think Prerna and her team is amazing. Everyone, Soumya here at Global Spa is very clear with what he wants, and my team and I are having a great time doing this, so I'm very happy.
And of course, you're a natural on camera.
फोटो शूट्स मेरे लिए थोड़े टफ हो जाते हैं I'll be honest with you. वो थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए because I'm not as used to it. I mean used to it से ज़्यादा वो थोड़ी सी मैं conscious हो जाती हूँ. But other than that I'm having fun. When the team is happy, comfortable, it's fun.
So how many shoots are you working on as a part of your calendar every month, given that you have such a fantastic following on social media?
Thank you. As of now, actually, there's a lot of writing happening. I just finished shooting for season 3 of Mismatched, so I'm very excited for that to come out. I finished shooting for this show called Andhera, which is on Prime Video. तो वो release होने के लिए अभी रुके हुए हैं. But in the meanwhile, I'm writing. I'm working on 2 projects writing projects that are very close to my heart, and I'm working on a book. तो फिलहाल तो ये है.
Share with us some details regarding that book because I believe it's being taken on by HarperCollins.
It has been,
And
yes.
you posted something on your social media handle inviting all your fans and followers to
choose
the
cover.
cover.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's called Too Good to Be True, and it's a romance fiction novel. मैंने एक्चुअली इसको लिखना शुरू करा था बिकॉज आई वाज डेवलपिंग इट एज अ शो. मुझे लगा था कि मैं क्या इसके ऊपर एक सीरीज बना सकते हैं. आई हैड अ आइडिया कि सीजन 1 में ऐसा करेंगे, सीजन 2 में ऐसा करेंगे. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग इट, जो मैं लिख रही थी that looked a lot like chapters because I was literally just dictating जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था. I was just went on typing it क्योंकि मुझे स्क्रीन पे लिखना तो आता है नहीं. मैंने इससे पहले कभी लिखा है नहीं. I sit with a very talented team of writers when I'm working on these ideas. तो ये मैं अकेले कर रही थी. And then I showed it to the team and the team was like, Radhika, this looks like chapters. Do you just want to continue doing what you're doing and see if you can actually write a book? I said, चलो ठीक है, let's try. And then I announced it so I have some kind of accountability. Otherwise खत्म नहीं होती. And then HarperCollins came on board as my publishers, which was such a dream come true for me because some of my favorite romance novels are actually published by them. So that is how it is, and we're looking at it coming out sometime this year, hopefully.
So too good to be true. I mean, would you say you're pulling a leaf out of your career? Are you leading the dream life that you thought you'd be leading?
It's better than I thought.
Really?
Honestly, yeah. मतलब ये imagine ही नहीं कर सकते थे जब मैंने शुरू करा था. मेरे को तो बचपन से रेडियो जॉकी बनना था.
बट आपने रेडियो में dabble किया था कुछ टाइम के लिए?
Thank God. अदरवाइज मुझे पता नहीं चलता मैं कितनी बुरी हूँ उसमें.
You're being exceedingly modest.
I'm not. You know, I'm really not. If I was good at radio, I would have said it. I would have said, you know, I did radio and I was good at it. I wasn't good at it.
अच्छा चलिए मानते हैं. You started on with that show,
With
but the show
radio.
didn't go really too well. But
It did. And then उसके बाद जब मैंने YouTube करना शुरू किया, कंटेंट बनाना YouTube पे, तो उस टाइम पे तो कोई रोड मैप ही नहीं था या कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि where the platforms are going to go. So everything that I wanted to do it. I've always wanted to be an actor. I used to do theatre when I was in college. I loved being an actor. लेकिन सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये वाले डोर्स भी ऐसे ओपन होंगे कि you know we'll get an opportunity like with जब Tarun sir came to me with the short film I did called Khayali Pulao in 2019.
right.
I had not expected that opportunity to come. With Mismatched, I had not expected it to come. With Jug Jug Jio, with Niyat, with all the other things that kind of like, even with the book. So मेरे लिए तो it's much better than I had expected.
God has been kind.
Very.
Tell me this, when and how did you realize that you have a comic bone? आपने अपना YouTube channel जो start किया था, that is primarily centered around observational comedy,
Yeah.
right? Mostly same.
Yeah.
So when did you realize that you had a knack for it, a flair for it?
I remember very distinctly. हम बैठे थे सुदीप, गुरप्रीत, सौरव और मैं. This was the core team. This is the core team of Mostly Seen. So they are from One Digital Entertainment. एंड जब हम बैठे कि क्या कंटेंट बनाना है तो मैंने कहा मेरे से फैशन नहीं होगा, मेरे से लाइफस्टाइल नहीं होगा, मेरे से कुकिंग नहीं होगा, मेरे से ट्रैवल, मेरे पास पैसे हैं नहीं उस बनाने के. मैंने कहा DIY ट्यूटोरियल्स मुझे कुछ आते हैं नहीं, हैक्स मेरे पास है नहीं, व्लॉगिंग तब वाज नॉट एज बिग. मैंने कहा पर ये एक चीज़ है, मैं एक ब्लॉग लिखती थी, इट वाज कॉल्ड एग्जैक्टली. तो उस ब्लॉग पे ना मैं ये ऑब्जर्वेशनल चीज़ें बस लिख के पोस्ट करती थी और कोई देखता नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट लाइक माय फैमिली. इट यूज्ड टू गो ऑन माय फेसबुक, दैट्स इट. तो मैंने उनको वो ब्लॉग पोस्ट दिखाए, मैं कहा ये मैंने लिखा है, तो दे लाइक क्या ये दिस इज फन, तुम इसके वीडियो बना सकते हो। मैं कहा सो द फर्स्ट फ्यू वीडियोस अदर देन द फर्स्ट वन, बाकी 5-6 मेरे वीडियोस जो हैं दोस आर लिटरली जस्ट scripts I have taken from my blog posts and just copied them on my YouTube. And then I think जब YouTube पे reactions आने लग गए, जब लोग जो मेरे से related नहीं है comment करने लग गए, share करने लग गए और started telling me that they enjoy watching what I'm doing, I think that is where a little bit confidence came from. Because honestly मैं बहुत ही blind थी इसमें, like I didn't go into this with any kind of plan. So that was a pleasant surprise.
So what do you think exactly worked for you? You were in the right place at the right time, you probably had one of those self-starter advantages, or was it like the true honesty with which, transparency with which you were really enjoying what you were doing and you were putting it out and that clicked?
Yeah, I think it was a little bit of everything. Because I started more than 9 years ago on YouTube. उस टाइम पे हम सारे बस शुरू ही कर रहे थे.
Yes.
इंडिया में तो बस हो ही रहा था धीरे धीरे करके. I mean we had AIB and we had TVF, but these were humongous big groups. मैं तो लिली सिंह को देखती थी. I mean I've been a huge fan of Lily's forever, even before. That was the only YouTuber I used to follow before I started making content. So I think it was a little bit of everything. I think it was also getting the right team, and that though I think I lucked out it when I met One Digital and the way work started with them. कि क्योंकि वो already इस field में इतना काम कर रहे थे ना, they helped me with the insights, they helped me with foreseeing things, they helped me prepare for hate, things like mindless trolling. इसको आप prepare ही नहीं कर सकते हो, I think, but because they were there, they helped me kind of they buffered me in advance कि अच्छा ये होने वाला है, इसके लिए प्रिपेयर रहना. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें. आई थिंक द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम माई फैमिली एट दैट टाइम. इफ माई पेरेंट्स हल्की सी भी अगर उन्होंने झिझक दिखाई होती तो मैं करती नहीं. मेरे में हिम्मत ही नहीं है कि अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स का वैलिडेशन नहीं होता उस टाइम पे मेरे साथ तो मैं नहीं करती. तो आई थिंक इट वाज दैट. इट वाज ऑल्सो माई ऑडियंस की. I like some of my videos I watch and I'm like, what were you all commenting on? What was I thinking? What were you thinking? So I think it was a little bit of all.
What is your no troll guide? What does it look like?
I think what I've learned is there's a very clear difference between criticism and hate. Criticism has helped me throughout my journey as a creator. I've always leaned on those comments that tell me कि प्रारिता this could have been better. प्रारिता उस वीडियो में वो अच्छा लगा, इसमें ये अच्छा नहीं लगा या प्रारिता, and that has helped me grow. I couldn't have kind of learned the way I did through my comments. Hate baseless होता है. So I've come to realize that if there is nothing I can take away from your comment, it could be joy, it could be a lesson, it could be a reality check. But if there is nothing, it's hate and it's baseless, then it's a waste of everybody's time. I also don't think it's not my job to tell you to shut up. It's not my job to react to you because I feel so fortunate that I have this audience that showers me with so much love. Even at times when I have not been creating content, I've been away, I've not really posted as much, I've kind of not replied as much, but still like the community that holds me together is my audience. So मेरे को लगता है कि मैं एक सेकंड भी अगर baseless hate पे करूँगी ना खर्च तो it will be unfair to all the love that comes my way. So I've just come to realize कि also I'm not very aware at all times. I'm very blissfully aware about most things in life going about. So I'm okay with not knowing also. कितनी बारी आता है कि तूने ये देखा ये thread है तेरा एक website पे, and I'm like, why will I go if I know that there's nonsense. So I have kind of kept my guards up around hate a lot, where to a point now if it's not useful, if it doesn't help me grow in any way, I'm not going to spend any time.
So you've crafted your own balance.
Yeah.
You've found your own balance, your own footing.
Yeah.
And your own niche.
Yeah.
And you're comfortable and confident in that.
I mean, so far तो yes. But the thing is कि अगर किसी भी time पे आप पूछो कि प्रारिता, where do you see this going or what is your 5-year plan? I don't have one. Because I don't know where the platform is going. I know it's going to a great place, but I don't know which direction, what. So at this point, I'm just winging it. I'm just going with the flow. Whatever opportunities come my way, some work, some don't. But I'll try it out. Yeah.
So what is your biggest challenge?
Right now, my biggest challenge is just writing this book.
You're halfway through?
I'm done with the first draft.
Okay.
Actually, we're working on the final edit. And it's by far the most challenging thing I've done. And I think that is also what I like about my job, that the minute I get comfortable, something comes my way. जैसे कंटेंट के साथ I remember getting comfortable and feeling like अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है ये कि I reached a point where I couldn't
Saturation.
प्रॉपर सैचुरेशन कंटेंट ब्लॉक हो गया था कि अब नहीं चल रहा मेरा दिमाग. उस टाइम पे तो 2017 it was just 2 years into this. एंड उस टाइम पे तो मैं सोच रहा था मैंने कहा नहीं अभी इसको बंद करके कुछ और करना पड़ेगा कि एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर इफ आई कांट क्रिएट कंटेंट व्हाट एम आई गोना डू ऑन YouTube? आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर स्किल्स. बट एक वीडियो चल गया और फिर पिक्ड अप. उसके बाद व्हेन ख्याली पुलाव केम टू मी और व्हेन मिसमैच के लिए जो ऑडिशन का कॉल आया था पंचमी से मेरे को आई वाज अगेन आई वाज लाइक I said, I don't know if I can do this, and auditions make me very, very nervous in general. But then that worked, so then that was a different challenge. But then I happened to work with a great team of writers and directors that helped me through it. Then the book, all the writing, that's challenging, but it's new. But I like the
Momentum.
Yeah, I
It's extreme.
like it keeps shifting and changing, and the minute I get comfortable, there's a
Would
drift.
it be correct to say that you've achieved success in whatever you've done? Activism, you've created that rap song Shameless, I remember.
Oh God, yeah.
That went crazy.
It did, I'm so glad, yeah. That was the first time I spoke about something that was socially relevant to my audience, and I wouldn't, I haven't really measured it. क्योंकि जब activism की भी बात होती है, it's so widespread, right? Like I started talking about climate, about body positivity and mental
Body
health.
shaming के बारे में आपने लिया था मतलब that is one topic. I mean, you really, I think, gleaned the pulse because that was something which was building up
बहुत
underneath,
ज़्यादा उस time.
and you picked it up and gave an expression to it.
Yeah.
And that was beautiful, I think,
Thank
because
you.
it touched so many chords in so many people.
Thank you.
You know, that acceptance of one's own self is
Yeah.
just so important. And
Yeah.
then when it comes from like a public
Yeah.
voice like yours,
No, thank
you
you.
know,
That
celebrity
means a lot.
endorsed and it gains larger momentum on a larger scale. And
Yeah.
then I think you had collaborated with Malishka and like a couple of
Yeah,
other
and
people.
everyone was so
And
sweet
that-
to just
yes.
come in that video. There
Yes.
was Raghav had come in the
Yes,
video.
so it gained a lot of traction
Yeah.
and cut across many things. So what is it that you want to do? आपने interviews किए हुए हैं. I mean, you know, Jennifer Aniston, Adam Sandler. I mean, you name it. You've interviewed so many individuals. You're writing a book. You've dipped your hands into activism. You've ventured into the OTT space. You've got your own successful YouTube channel. What is it that you're looking at doing now?
Everything.
Like,
Everything. I want to do everything. That's the best part about my job. कि I don't have to ever pick. जैसे कई बार ये होता है कि Parita, what do you like more? कि मतलब was it more fun to do like a film or was it more fun to do an OTT show? I said for me, the fact that I'd never have to pick that. I've always said this. I think it's a beautiful time to be a creator of any sort. India में especially. It's what I think it's the best time if you want to be a creator. I think you should start now because there hasn't been a better time for any kind of content or storytelling. And if you just look around us right now, the kind of stories that are doing well, the kind of things that we're watching on TV. जैसे मैंने कल रात को मिर्जापुर देखना शुरू करा है. The last season was 2 years ago. 4 years ago it
yeah,
released?
it was 4 years ago.
I watched it 2 years ago. तो सोचो 4 साल पुराना content. 4 साल पुराना मैंने एक एपिसोड देखा है और अगर सारे एक साथ देखो तो सीजन 2 का लास्ट एपिसोड 4 साल पहले देखा हुआ है.
Right.
और अब 4 साल बाद भी मैं वही हूँ. And I'm still liking it. A movie like Munja does what it does. It went to 120 crores. I mean, big ups to Abhay and Sharpari for doing that. I mean, again, a film that came, we didn't expect for something like that to quickly pick up at the. So I think it's just the unpredictability and uncertainty of things right now is just so fun. So मुझे सब कुछ करना है. I want to see how this book also does, and I want to keep writing what I'm writing, and I want to like eventually.
Make a film, maybe.
Yeah, like
You never know.
make a film, make a show. I want to act. I love acting. I love being on a set. I want to keep creating content. I want to do those brand collabs. I want to travel. I want to do everything.
You collaborated with like a top crop of actors also, from like Hrithik Roshan to like Kriti Sanon to whatever.
Kriti, I don't think I've had the pleasure of meeting yet. Kriti, I think I don't think with Kriti we've done anything. But I'd love to. I think she's stunning,
Okay.
and I loved her and Mimi.
So that's an open declaration of the
Yeah.
fangirl moment.
Yeah. I'm constantly fangirling.
You hope Kriti Sanon is listening to this.
Yeah, I really hope she is.
So what is the turning point, if you were to earmark or pick a turning point in your career? You started out in 2015
Yeah.
actively like
Fair.
in the space,
Yeah.
and it's 2024.
Yeah.
So are we yet looking at the big turning point as you're about to
For
complete a
me-
decade in the line of work?
I think for me, the turning point was only when I started. Because otherwise, I don't know what I would have done with
So
my
taking
life.
that big leap,
Yeah,
that big
from
jump.
radio to making content on YouTube, I think that was the best decision I have made. Otherwise, none of these doors would have opened up. And then we kind of kept having all these milestones. Like when it comes to activism, I think a huge moment for me was the documentary that we shot with Michelle Obama for girls' education. That was huge. Every conversation that I've had with actors that I've grown up watching, that I idolize so much, that I look up to for inspiration. Even the fact that I get to sit down in the same room as them and say कि अच्छा क्या कर रहे हो, क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है, बातें करना भी मेरे लिए is a huge moment. Netflix's Mismatched is huge, touch wood. 3 seasons, when we were shooting the first season,
Amazing.
I had so much fun shooting the first season. Everyone was like, Raita, how was it? I said, I don't remember. It was so much fun. I just remember it was fun. और उस time पे सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये हो जाएगा. That was a huge moment. The fact that I got to do a Dharma film, my first ever film was a Dharma
That
film.
was
is
brilliant.
Huge.
I mean, your first outing on the silver screen
Was with-
getting a Dharma
yeah.
production is like really big deal.
And with people that I love. I mean, I've been such a huge fan of Varun, and the fact that I got to be with him and then chill with him and actually shoot, and Kiara was amazing, Anil Sir, Neetu Ma'am, Raj was amazing. Everything. I think there have been so many moments, and I rarely ever do sit back and kind of register them, because then I feel like I'll get overwhelmed. So like sometimes that gets a little like like pressure feel होगा, क्या होगा पता नहीं, तो मैं थोड़ा उसको बोलती हूँ कि हाँ ठीक, good.
So how do you stay calm? Like, what is your concept of wellness?
I read
Okay.
a lot. I take lots of naps. I love my food, so I eat lots of that. Working out, the past 2-3 years I've been really leaning on my workouts for my mental health. Just say I wasn't working out for like 10 days and I started 3 days ago, and I can immediately see a shift.
Okay.
So I lean a lot on that. And I love spending time by myself. So anytime I feel I'm a little off center, shaken, overwhelmed, I'll always take a step back and just be by myself for a day or two, and I'll be okay.
Okay. So what is that one piece of advice that you could possibly share with everybody who wants to be in your shoes? Just kill the romance for them.
Never kill
It
the
didn't
romance.
happen overnight.
Never kill the romance. The romance needs to stay.
Okay.
It definitely doesn't. I mean, it's a lot of hard work, and I feel very proud every time I say that. That I know I worked hard, and I take a lot of pride in that. But and it's like really cliche advice. अगर मैं 19-20 साल की होती और किसी ने वीडियो पे ये बोला तो मैं बोलती अबे यार specific बताना. But the one thing that really changed my life is that I really started liking myself in the process. I think I reached a point where I'm in love with myself. I'm obsessed. I'm my biggest fan. I'm my biggest cheerleader. I'm always in my corner when I make the right decisions or the wrong. The dialogue in my head with myself, I'm very kind to myself, and it took me that many years to get there, but I think that has been the most effective exercise for me, that I am always very kind to myself.
So be kind to yourself
Yeah.
and take full ownership of your decisions.
Yeah,
Good, bad, or ugly.
good, bad or ugly, all of them. Yeah.
Great, fantastic. It's been wonderful chatting with you.
Thank you so much.